My dear student, you know I am your English teacher, MD Abdul Haq, lecturer in English, Chandabaho Islamia Fazil Madrasa. I am going to speak you or deliver lecture on the English second paper, simple, complex and compound sentence. These sentences are very important for your examination. Changing sentence, you know, transforming sentence. That is, you have to transfer one sentence to another, from simple to complex or complex to simple. Your main duty is to changing complex sentence into simple sentence and simple sentence into complex sentence. These three kinds of sentence: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. What is simple sentence? Simple sentence means a sentence which has a subject and a finite verb. This is called simple sentence. And complex sentence means this subject, this sentence which have one principal clause and another subordinate clause. And compound sentence means this sentence which has two principal clause, but this sentence will be added with and, but, or. These three conjunctions. This is called compound sentence. Now, I want to speak you how you will change this sentence: simple, complex and compound. At first, complex sentence, how you can use this complex sentence. You can use this complex sentence by changing and using some rules. When a complex sentence is made with since as when, you will use present participle. This present participle will help you changing the sentence very quickly into simple sentence. That is, since he wrote very well, he will get good marks. Now we can change this sentence. Writing well, he will get good marks. So writing well. This writing, this is a present participle. Now we can make an structure. That is, what is the structure? Verb plus ing plus the remaining part of the sentence. If you join ing with the verb, then it becomes present participle. In the same way, we can define some examples. That is, as he ran fast, he got the prize. We can make it simple sentence: running fast, he got the prize. When I saw him, he was disappointed. I seeing him, he was disappointed. Here the subject is different. That is why I and he, these two subjects will remain. Since it was hot, I could not go out. Being hot, I could not go out. This is the way how you will change the complex sentence using present participle. Then another rule you can use in a complex sentence: when you will get so that What is the rule here? He is so weak that he cannot walk a mile. You will use in the place of so to, and you will join the sentence with to. He is too weak to run a mile. The girl is so dull that she cannot understand the topic. The girl is too dull to understand this topic. The man is so weak that he cannot do the work. The man is too weak to do the work. So here we see to, where the sentence is used with so dash, we can use to. This is very correct. And another rule, so that he works hard so that he can shine in life. He works hard to shine in life. So that sentence is complex sentence and two sentences simple sentence. He reads more so that he can make a good result. He reads more to make a good result. I run fast so that I can catch the train. I run fast to catch the train. So here, so that will be omitted and to will be added. If sentence. There are three conditions in if sentence. If you play in the rain, you will catch cold. This is affirmative sentence. By playing in the rain, you will catch cold. If you work hard, you will shine in life. By working hard, you will shine in life. That is by plus verb plus ing. This is the new formula. And another system is, if you get negative sentence in the last, you will use without. If you do not run fast, you cannot get the prize. Without running fast, you cannot get the prize. If you do not call me, I will not respond. Without calling me, I will not respond. This is without plus verb. When you get the negative sentence, in the complex sentence if, you will use without plus verb plus ing. There is another rule you have to follow. What is the rule? When the verb is in the middle, you can use also present participle. How we can use present participle? That is, I saw a man who came here. I saw a man coming here. So here, coming here is come plus ing. That is coming. This is a present participle. This is also a verb that remains in the last part of the sentence, and that time you can use present participle to make this sentence simple sentence. So student, today we have learned how we can make complex sentence into simple sentence. I have discussed 4 rules mainly. What the rules are? That is, the rules are, at first, present participle. Using present participle, Next, using two. Next, using only two. At last, using verb plus ing. How? By plus verb plus ing in the if added sentence. Without plus verb plus ing in the if added sentence. So student, you will try in the house, in your home, how you can make complex sentence into simple sentence. And if you have any question, you will ask me in net or in phone. So this is your homework. So I wish you every good luck. I think you will be very well. Thank you all.